Hey, just real quick before we start the video, I am putting a sale on the Halloween sketchbooks that I have. This is a series of monster art and Halloween style art that I did. It's 24 pages of pure art that I've posted nowhere. It's really fun, and right now that is on sale on this channel only, okay? So the discount code when you type in is Halloween, and that's going to give you 25% off. I only have about, I think I have about a few of these left, so once these are gone, that's kind of it. So thank you so much. I appreciate all the support from everybody. Check it out.
Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw a laughing jack-o'-lantern. I hope it will be easy. Stick around for the entire lesson. It's only about 7-8 minutes or something like that. At the very end of 7 minutes, you will have a new skill if you stick around. And that's it. If you love drawing Halloween things and you love the spirit of Halloween, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification so it'll let you know when I post more. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start curve around one side. Go over here on this side. Curve around here. I'm going to go over here and just kind of make the top a little bit bumpy, but not that much. Just going to wave it around. And going over here as well, the bottom gonna have a little bit bumpy as well. So I'm gonna start with the eyes. You go in over here like an inner kind of V. Over here as well. And then I'm gonna draw another line right here and out. Same thing over here and out. A line over here, in. And a line over here, in. I'm gonna fill in this because it's, you know, kind of the thickness of the pumpkin that's showing over here in the space area. And on the very inside it would be dark. Throw a couple of lines there at the top, maybe. Curve over here. Looks like a banana, right? The smile. Line over here for the thickness of that pumpkin. I'm going to fill in the rest of it on this side. I'm going to go and find the, you know, the stem at the top. Decided to make it like that. You can make it any way you want. You can make it just a square. I decided to do that. Line over here, line over here, line over here. And that looks like, you know, the texture on the roots. Line curved over here, over here, over here, over here, over here, over here, over here. And this line is thinner. These are just kind of, you know, the ridges on the pumpkin itself. So they're just kind of thin. If you want to make it more, we can shrink this over here, shrink this over here. Make it a little bit more like it's laughing. And if you really want, we can do some kind of artsy, like we can throw the grass over here, like it's sitting on the grass. And then what we could do is maybe draw a hill on the far side over here. Draw it wiggly, like it's like a hill with grass on it. And we could go like this. Draw a grave here, another layer over here. We could draw a ha on it, on the grave, a line over here. And then throw maybe another hill in the background. Smaller grave, And then maybe we draw Ha on that one as well. So it's really gonna have this, it's like an artsy way of putting it in there, the laughing, you know? On this side, we're gonna draw another hill going down, just kind of even it out. I'm gonna go over here on this side, I'm gonna draw the fence on this side, so draw line up, line up, line up, line up. And I'm gonna draw across. Going over here. And I'm gonna draw the clouds. A curve line here. Bump there, a little bump. Right there on that, right there as well. Circle here. This could be the moon in the back. Line over here. And another line over here. We're gonna do another cloud over here. Make a cloud over here, smaller, right? Like the ones in the distance. You can draw these little bat-like things, these little M's, you know? And you can draw some maybe clouds going off to the right and the left, just to kind of give it a little bit more atmosphere. Thank you so much. Oh, you know, let's continue this fence over here. So the fence is gonna be right here. Anyways, there you go. Thank you so much. I want to thank you for being here. Everybody here has been so supportive. Don't forget the announcement I said in the beginning of this video. Go pick up one of my art books over there. It's a Halloween art book that I think you're going to get a lot out of, honestly. It's incredibly fun to learn from. And go check that out. And also I want to thank you for just kind of everybody giving likes. And I've been doing this for like 7 years. And, you know, it gets tiring sometimes, but I really do love it still. And I want to thank you guys for supporting. If you want to support the channel another way as well, you can always take 2 seconds to share the video with a friend, or share it on Twitter, or share it on any social network. Takes 2 seconds, it's free, and it just helps the channel out so much. Like, you cannot believe how much it helps out. Thank you so much, and stay spooky.